If you're struggling to create ads that stand out in crowded social media feeds, you're not alone. But imagine being able to create scroll-stopping ads in just minutes with the power of AI. That's exactly what AdCreative AI allows you to do. This tool uses artificial intelligence to generate high-converting, visually engaging ads for your business in a matter of clicks. Now, if you're new to AdCreative AI, you're in for a treat. This tool is a game changer for marketers who want to save time, boost engagement, and increase conversions without needing to be a design expert. So, how does it work? First off, AdCreative AI leverages machine learning to analyze a massive dataset of ad creatives. It learns what types of designs, colors, and copy drive the most engagement, then uses this knowledge to generate your very own ad creatives. You don't need to worry about what works or doesn't. The software does the heavy lifting. To get started, all you need to do is input your campaign goals and brand details, and AdCreative AI will generate a set of high-quality ads tailored to your needs. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or an event, it will create ad concepts that are designed to grab attention. What's powerful about this tool is its ability to automatically adjust the designs to fit various ad formats and platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. It's all optimized for performance. And here's a pro tip. The AI doesn't just pick random colors or images. It chooses elements that are statistically proven to maximize user interaction. This means you're not guessing what your audience will respond to. The AI has already done the research for you. Let's talk about another cool feature. AdCreative AI provides you with performance scores. As it generates different ad designs, it rates each one based on how likely it is to convert. So, not only do you get high-quality ad creatives, but you also get data-driven insights on which ones are most likely to succeed. This removes the guesswork from your ad creation process. Now, you might be wondering about pricing. Good news. AdCreative AI offers an exclusive free trial for new users, so you can try it out without spending a dime. And if you want to unlock extended benefits, like additional features and access to premium templates, there's an option to upgrade. But even with the free version, you'll see results almost immediately. AdCreative AI doesn't stop there. If you're already running ads, you can integrate the software directly with your ad platforms, streamlining your workflow. With its quick turnaround time, you can get your ads live in minutes instead of hours, allowing you to focus on scaling your business, not spending hours designing. If you're ready to start creating scroll-stopping ads in no time, be sure to check the first link in the description below to access the software for free with our exclusive bonuses. To wrap up, AdCreative AI isn't just a tool for designing ads, it's an essential asset for digital marketers who want to take their advertising game to the next level. With its AI-powered capabilities, you can create high-converting, engaging ads faster and with less effort. So, if you're looking to boost your ad performance, stop wasting time on trial and error and let AI do the work for you. Don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial offer through the link below. Start creating your own scroll-stopping ads today.